Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Japan is fed up with foreign tourists. Many popular destinations are experiencing significant overcrowding, making daily life challenging for residents. There's also a growing concern about some visitors not respecting local customs and etiquette. This influx of tourism is putting a noticeable strain on Japan's public transportation and other essential infrastructure. The impact on local life is quite tangible. Public transportation, especially during peak hours, can become uncomfortably crowded, affecting commuters. Residents also report an increase in littering and noise disturbances in residential areas. Furthermore, despite clear signage, photography rules in sacred sites and private establishments are often disregarded, causing frustration among locals and staff. Beyond daily inconveniences, there are deeper economic and social strains. The proliferation of short-term rentals has contributed to rising housing costs, making it harder for locals to afford living in their own neighborhoods. Some traditional businesses struggle to compete with establishments catering solely to tourists, altering the local economy. This shift can also dilute the authenticity of cultural experiences for Japanese residents. To address these issues, promoting travel to lesser-known regions can help distribute tourist traffic more evenly. Education for visitors on Japanese customs, like proper trash disposal and respecting private property, is also crucial for fostering mutual understanding. Remember, respectful travel benefits everyone. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Your support helps us create more content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.